Hi, this is Dr. Sulin here from drsulin.com, and today I have a question for you. Are you in network marketing or in business, and you're wondering when would be your breakthrough time? So today in today's episode, I'm going to share with you 4 steps to a breakthrough, especially in your network marketing business. So the step number 1, you just got to be willing to be bored. So the road to success is filled with ordinary things, like let's say you need to give yourself or set up a daily method of operation that you do every single day. Once in a while, sometimes life gets in the way, but you need to get back to that routine, right? It's a daily, what we call a DMO. So this DMO is a thing that you do every single day, and it has to include prospecting, following up, reaching out to new people, and also following up with them, asking whether they are open to explore more another stream of income if it doesn't interfere with what they are currently doing. If so, you can share with them your video, your funnel, or meet up with them. And if not, that's okay. So every single day, that is what as a network marketer we have to be doing. Is boring stuff, but that will lead to step number 2, which is you need to be consistent with doing these ordinary things, because doing those ordinary things consistently for an extended period of time will produce extraordinary results. So you might be in network marketing, you just started, or you're already in network marketing for years. So it doesn't matter, you can always start tomorrow, a fresh new start. So step number 3 will be, must be willing to be afraid and do it anyway. So in business, there are 2 parts of it. There's marketing side and also the prospecting side, really actively reaching out to people or potential prospects and clients, and the marketing side. So when I first started in video marketing or doing my first ever Facebook Live, I was so terrified. It's not even funny, because I remember once I complete doing the whole Facebook Live, my heart beat thumb against the ribcage, like it's I feel like I'm going to vomit right after that Facebook Live. But after I did it, right, I felt really good, and the next week I continued doing my Facebook Live, and then I took a video challenge that I do video every single day. Even though I was afraid, even though I don't know what to talk about, I just do it anyway. So it's the same as in your network marketing business. Even if you're afraid to approach influencers or somebody you feel that is more influential than you, or a more confident person, you just have to be willing to be afraid and do it anyway. That's step number 3. So last but not least, and the most important, I feel, is step number 4. Because in whatever project, whatever long-term success that we yearn for, we need to surround ourselves with like-minded community. What I mean is like a mentor or a community whereby you can get support, and also a mentor that points you to the right directions, because life gets in the way. Sometimes we get distracted, sometimes we just need the kick in the butt. So this one is the one most people have no idea how to get about it, and it's the most important one, this step number 4. So I would like to encourage you, if you are open to explore this group or this private group coaching program, that I highly recommend, because this mentor, what I like about her is she definitely knows her stuff. She is no BS, raw and real. And in the group coaching, in the private group, she do give us tactical strategies that I find that's how helped me break through and start this YouTube channel, start with my blog. I just focus on my message that I want to get across, and with a mentor pointing you to the right direction, I feel that I save a lot of my time from making mistakes. And also you don't have to do so many things, that because with a mentor she'll point you to the right direction. You just have to spend your time and effort doing and executing those action steps that brings the most results to your business. So I will leave the link in the description below. If you find this video of value, do like, share with your teammates, comment. I would love to hear about your small wins so that I can cheer you on, and subscribe to my channel so that you will get updates of my new uploaded videos. So take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye.